5 regions, 17 KPIs, 5 operating domains, and no 2 reports tell leadership the same story. For one of the world's leading tire manufacturers, supply chain KPIs lived in different systems. AOP targets and actual results never aligned. Regions were either locked out or had access to everything. Decisions waited on reconciliation. Decimal Point Analytics built a unified KPI scorecard. Snowflake actuals consolidated against AOP plans. 17 KPIs across planning, inventory, supply, cost, and service. In one Power BI environment. Row-level security. Every region sees what it should and only what it should. The full dashboard embedded inside PowerPoint. The format executives already use. Governed, standardized, always current. The result: 17 KPIs, unified, 5 domains, 1 view. AOP versus actual, at a glance. Self-service drill downs across index codes and channels. Reporting backlogs gone. Decisions made on numbers leadership can finally trust. For manufacturing leaders, fragmented reporting is a decision tax. Decimal Point Analytics. Unified KPI intelligence, built for global supply chains.